Step into the exclusive world of Porsche's 918 Spyder manufactory, where automotive dreams become reality amidst precision engineering, meticulous craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. Here's a behind-the-scenes glimpse into the creation of this iconic supercar. Step into the heart of Porsche's engineering excellence as we explore the 918 Spyder engine assembly line in the factory, where precision meets performance to create the beating heart of this iconic supercar. Here's a behind-the-scenes look at the meticulous craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology that go into crafting the engine of the 918 Spyder. The engine assembly process begins with the manufacturing of individual components, including the high-performance V8 engine block, cylinder heads, pistons, crankshaft, and camshafts. Advanced machining techniques are employed to ensure the utmost precision and quality in each component, with tight tolerances adhered to for optimal performance. Skilled technicians carefully assemble the engine block, meticulously fitting each component into place with precision and expertise. Tightening torque specifications are strictly adhered to, ensuring proper sealing and alignment of engine components to guarantee optimal performance and reliability. The cylinder heads, which house the intake and exhaust valves, are meticulously installed onto the engine block, with each valve meticulously adjusted to precise specifications. Skilled technicians meticulously inspect and fine-tune the valve clearances to ensure optimal engine performance and efficiency. The pistons, crankshaft, and connecting rods are carefully assembled to create the engine's internal combustion system. Each piston is precisely fitted onto its connecting rod, and the crankshaft is meticulously aligned to ensure smooth operation and minimal friction. The camshafts, which control the opening and closing of the engine's valves, are meticulously installed and synchronized with the engine's timing system. Skilled technicians ensure that the camshafts are precisely aligned and adjusted to optimize engine performance and efficiency. Throughout the engine assembly process, rigorous quality control measures are implemented to ensure that each component meets Porsche's exacting standards of excellence. Comprehensive testing protocols, including dynamometer testing, are conducted to validate the engine's performance, reliability, and durability under various operating conditions. Once the engine is fully assembled, skilled engineers fine-tune and calibrate it to ensure optimal performance, responsiveness, and efficiency. Advanced diagnostic tools and software are used to analyze engine parameters and optimize fuel delivery, ignition timing, and exhaust emissions. As the final step in the assembly process, the fully assembled engine is carefully installed into the chassis of the 918 Spyder, where it becomes the beating heart of this legendary supercar. With its unparalleled performance, precision engineering, and meticulous craftsmanship, the engine of the 918 Spyder represents the pinnacle of automotive excellence. In the world of Porsche 918 Spyder ownership, individuality reigns supreme. Porsche's dedication to providing unparalleled customization and personalization options ensures that each 918 Spyder is as unique as the discerning driver who commands it. Here's a closer look at the extensive customization opportunities available to 918 Spyder owners. The interior of the 918 Spyder is a canvas for personal expression, with a myriad of options for bespoke trims, materials, and finishes. From sumptuous leather upholstery to exotic carbon fiber accents, customers can tailor every detail to their liking. Porsche's skilled craftsmen can create custom interior packages that reflect the owner's personality and style, whether it's a sporty and performance-oriented cockpit or a luxurious and opulent cabin. Beyond aesthetics, Porsche offers customization options to enhance the driving experience and tailor the 918 Spyder's performance to the owner's preferences. Features such as adjustable suspension settings, dynamic driving modes, and personalized driving profiles allow owners to fine-tune the 918 Spyder's handling, responsiveness, and overall driving dynamics to suit their driving style and preferences. For the most discerning collectors and enthusiasts, Porsche offers exclusive limited edition models and special programs that elevate the ownership experience to new heights. These limited-run models may feature unique design elements, performance enhancements, or commemorative badges, making them highly sought after among collectors and enthusiasts alike. Whether it's a one-of-a-kind color combination, bespoke interior trim, or personalized performance settings, Porsche's customization options ensure that each 918 Spyder is a reflection of its owner's individuality and taste. Inside the cockpit of the 918 Spyder, luxury meets performance, with every detail meticulously crafted to elevate the driving experience. From hand-stitched leather upholstery to intricately detailed carbon fiber trim, the interior appointments exude sophistication and refinement. Skilled artisans meticulously assemble each component of the interior, ensuring seamless integration and flawless execution. The attention to detail extends to every aspect of the interior design, from the ergonomically sculpted seats to the precision-engineered controls and instrumentation. Throughout the assembly process, a relentless pursuit of perfection guides the hands of Porsche's craftsmen. Each component undergoes rigorous inspection and testing to ensure that it meets Porsche's exacting standards of quality and craftsmanship. From the precision alignment of body panels to the flawless application of paint and finishes, every detail is meticulously scrutinized and refined. The result is a masterpiece of automotive engineering and artistry, a supercar that not only delivers exhilarating performance but also embodies the passion and dedication of the artisans who brought it to life. The foundation of the 918 Spyder is its lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis, meticulously crafted to ensure optimal strength, rigidity, and safety. Porsche's master craftsmen painstakingly mold and shape the carbon fiber components, employing advanced techniques to achieve the perfect balance of weight reduction and structural integrity. Every seam, joint, and contour of the monocoque chassis is scrutinized and refined to meet Porsche's exacting standards, resulting in a chassis that not only enhances performance but also showcases the artistry of carbon fiber construction. Porsche offers an extensive palette of exterior paint colors, ranging from classic hues to vibrant and modern finishes. From timeless black and silver to eye-catching blues, greens, and reds, the options are virtually limitless. For those seeking even more exclusivity, Porsche's special paint programs allow for custom color matching and unique finishes, ensuring that each 918 Spyder stands out from the crowd. The decision to limit production ensures that the Porsche 918 Spyder remains a rare and exclusive supercar, coveted by automotive enthusiasts and collectors alike. With only a finite number of units available, owning a 918 Spyder becomes a mark of distinction and exclusivity, elevating its status as a true collector's item. By restricting production volume, Porsche is able to devote the necessary time, resources, and attention to detail required to meticulously handcraft each 918 Spyder to perfection. Skilled artisans pour their expertise and craftsmanship into every aspect of the car's construction, ensuring that each unit meets the highest standards of quality and precision. The limited production nature of the 918 Spyder enhances its desirability and appeal among automotive enthusiasts and collectors worldwide. The exclusivity of ownership and rarity of the car contribute to its allure, making it a highly sought-after commodity in the automotive market. As production numbers dwindle and the years pass, the Porsche 918 Spyder solidifies its status as a coveted collector's item. Owning a 918 Spyder becomes not only a symbol of automotive passion and performance but also an investment in automotive history, as its value appreciates over time. By limiting production, Porsche ensures the preservation of the 918 Spyder's heritage and legacy as one of the most iconic and revered supercars of its generation. From the moment raw materials arrive at the factory to the final assembly of the 918 Spyder, Porsche maintains strict quality control measures at every stage of the manufacturing process. Highly trained technicians meticulously inspect and validate each component, ensuring adherence to precise specifications and tolerances. Before a 918 Spyder leaves the factory floor, It undergoes a battery of comprehensive testing protocols to validate its performance, reliability, and safety. These tests encompass a wide range of criteria, including mechanical integrity, electrical systems functionality, and overall build quality. Porsche engineers conduct extensive on-road evaluations to assess the 918 Spyder's dynamic performance characteristics in real-world driving conditions. These evaluations provide valuable insights into the car's handling, ride comfort, and overall drivability, allowing engineers to fine-tune the vehicle's suspension, steering, and drivetrain systems for optimal performance. Track testing is an essential component of Porsche's quality control process, allowing engineers to push the 918 Spyder to its limits in a controlled environment. High-speed testing on racetracks enables engineers to evaluate the car's aerodynamics, stability, and performance under extreme driving conditions, ensuring that it delivers the dynamic capabilities expected of a Porsche supercar. Porsche is committed to continuous improvement and refinement, even after the 918 Spyder has left the factory. Customer feedback and real-world performance data are carefully analyzed and incorporated into future production iterations, allowing Porsche to continually enhance the quality, reliability, and performance of its vehicles. Ultimately, Porsche's rigorous quality control measures are a testament to its unwavering commitment to excellence. Each 918 Spyder that rolls off the production line represents the culmination of Porsche's dedication to craftsmanship, innovation, and performance, ensuring that it not only meets but exceeds the highest expectations of its discerning clientele.